Hello, English learners. As I told you in the previous video, that I will tell you in the next video that what are those applications through which you can boost your English practice, you can improve your English, and this will obviously help you a lot. And personally, if I tell you, then yeah, I have also used all these three applications, and I will tell you in brief that what and how you can join in this application and can improve your English. Then first application's name is Speak English. Speak English application is the application where you can easily talk around the world, like most of the time you will find Indian people, but sometimes you'll find Nepali, Pakistani, Kenya, South Africa, Sri Lanka. These are the people you can talk with, and you will have a great experience having used this application. And second is, yeah, but one more thing I would tell you this time, that when you use this application, then you are given only 1 hour everyday practice. But 1 hour is not bad. You can use it and practice. uh, and this application is for those who whose basic understanding is quite good, because you don't know how to read, you don't know when anyone speaks with you, then obviously this application is not for you. This is for those only who understand this video. Simply, I will say, if you are understanding the way I'm speaking, or if you are watching something that's in English and you understand, then obviously that means your basic understanding is quite good, and you need to practice with someone. And you can practice on this application if you have never ever practiced, or sometimes when you go to any coaching center, but most of the time you're not given time to speak, to reveal, to express yourself in English. Then yeah, this application is the best application for you to continue yourself in terms of this language improvement. And second application is Speaklar. Speaklar is an application you can practice on, and I think you have unlimited conversation. And there's these both applications, what I told you, first Speak English and second Speaklar. These are the applications uh, you can talk through audio. And third application is what I'm going to tell you, is also based on audio calling. You don't need to uh, I would say fill too much informations in this. Yeah, third application, let me tell you without wasting your time. Third application is Talknow. Yeah, Talknow is also a very famous application for English improvement, for English practice. You can use these applications. I will recommend you to use one of these applications. You don't need to go through all the applications, uh, but you can just take overview from these three applications and pick and choose one of them. And obviously I'm quite sure that these applications will help you enhance and polish your English language. But one, my personal suggestion for you, please don't express yourself too much about your privacy. I have told you in my previous video that yeah, you can talk about your hobby, you can talk about your profession, you can talk about the environment, climate, you can choose any topic and you can discuss. But please don't be too private. This may take you to another in bad way as well. Yeah, and you can use this. And yes, one of the most important thing I want to tell you in this video is that this application is only for those who want to who want to practice at the initial stage. If you are completely beginner, you have never ever practiced in this language, and you were searching for these kind of platforms where you can express yourself, where you can talk with other, then obviously you can use this application. But you are thinking that while only using this application I will become fluent in English and I will improve my communication skills to the next level, then no, this application won't help you that much. But this can help you only to utter something in English, because there are so many beginners. For example, if you are a beginner in talking with another beginner, then there is very less possibility to become that much fluent in English. But yes, at the initial stage, you can just somehow uh, practice, and you will be able to speak at least, and you will be able to manage your expressions in this language. And you can use this at the initial stage, but after using these applications, you should find any platform to take your language to the next level. Yeah, and this is just little from my side, and you can use this. And bye bye, see you in the next video. Till then, keep enjoying. Bye bye.